Oh, Finn, you're disgusting. You're disgusting.
Does your dog go from this to this, rolling in dirt and wiping his butt on your bed? If so, you may want to give him a bath. It is normally recommended that dogs get a bath between once a week to once every 4 to 6 weeks. How often you bathe your dog depends on your dog's breed, its health, and its lifestyle. Dogs with skin problems and dogs that spend a lot of time outdoors will need baths more frequently. Giving your dog a bath does not have to be expensive or time-consuming. You only need a few items to do it at home, and you really don't need any special equipment. Although a shower head with a long hose is very helpful when rinsing off long-haired dogs. You'll want some basic items to wash your dog with. You'll want towels and a washcloth, dog shampoo, different sponges, and dog ear cleaner. It is also a good idea to purchase a tearless shampoo for the dog's face so you don't get soap in his eyes that could hurt him. I like to brush my dog's teeth when I have him in the bathtub so any mess is kept there. So I always keep that with my dog washing supplies. If you have a dog that really doesn't like the bath, you may want to run some water in the tub before you get the dog. I like to do this because I use the water out of the tub to rinse Finn, and it also gives his feet an extra soak. Some people like to put peanut butter on a treat mat to keep their dog occupied while they're giving them a bath. Once you get your dog in the tub, you'll want to start wetting him down. It's usually recommended that you start at the dog's neck, wetting there first. Just in case your dog has fleas, the fleas are going to run away from the water, so hopefully away from the dog's ears and face. I always leave a collar on Finn in case I need to hold him. I always make sure it's a washable collar, and when I'm done, I'll wash the collar off with soap and water, let it dry, and then put a new collar on Finn. I like to use a sponge when washing a dog. It seems to spread the shampoo better out on their fur. This net sponge works really good on long-haired dogs. I normally don't use it on Finn because for his short hair, a regular kitchen sponge works the best. You will want to make sure that you get all parts of your dog, all the nasty parts, the armpits, the groin, the butt. When shopping for dog shampoos, take off the cap and smell the shampoo. Find something that you like. The smell doesn't usually seem to last very long, but it is nice when you first give a dog a bath to have it smell really fresh and clean. You'll want to clean well inside your dog's feet to make sure there's nothing stuck in there and there's no cuts or abrasions. If your dog has skin problems, hot spots, or has a problem with over licking their feet, you may want to purchase a medicated shampoo or a shampoo with oatmeal in it because it may make your dog feel better. If you have a small dog, you may be able to wash them in a utility sink. It'll save stress on your back and your knees if you can do this. Unfortunately, Finn cannot fit in a sink. I normally wash Finn once with the water that's in the tub, and as you can see, it's getting quite dirty. I do wash him once, and then I drain the tub and get fresh water, and I soak him again and rinse him with clean water. If you don't want your dog to shake while you're washing him, if you keep one hand on his head, it'll keep him from shaking. But sometimes that's hard to do when you're trying to get soap and towels and cups and such. Finn looks so sad in this video. You'll have to give him a thumbs up in the comments for being such a good boy during the filming of this. This is the Tearless shampoo that I use on Finn's face so that I don't get any soap in his eyes. I threw a couple of Finn's toys in the tub with him so that I could wash them after I wash him. It's important that you rinse all the shampoo from your dog's body, including the shampoo on his face. He may not like this very much, but it is necessary. So I've washed Finn completely once and I've rinsed him once, and now I'm going to do it again with fresh clean water. Finn doesn't seem to mind getting a bath, but if your dog does, just stay calm, praise your dog, and do something rewarding for the dog after the bath. Give him a treat, a hug, or play a game with him. This may seem like a long process, but I think it takes me about 20 minutes to wash and dry Finn. I'm lucky he has short hair, so I can towel dry him and he's ready to go. As for towels, I usually donate our old towels to the dog, and I buy used towels at the thrift store. I wrote the word dog on the towels so we don't confuse them with our human towels. After you're sure that you've rinsed your dog thoroughly and you're done rinsing him, you'll want to put ear wash in your dog's ear. If you buy a good ear wash, it'll have a component in it that'll make water evaporate and it'll dry the ears just in case you got water in them. A lot of long-haired dogs are prone to ear infections, so it's very important that you put something in the ears to make any water that may have gotten in there evaporate. After the bath, you'll want to dry your dog well with a towel. It's better to start with the head because they'll shake less. As I mentioned earlier, I like to brush Finn's teeth when he's in the tub. That way, if there's any mess, it's all contained there, and it's a good reminder for me to brush his teeth when I'm giving him a bath. Oh, Finn is looking good and smelling good, and he's got fresh, clean breath. I'd say he's one handsome dog, but it might be a little bit biased. If you'd like to see Finn in more videos, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you very much.